Hi, so here are the basics for filtering searches on Google. So first you'll have to go to google.ca or google.com and type in what you're looking for. So say I'm looking for Jupiter. Okay, so here you'll see that there are different filters. The web is just everything that's online. Images will only show you images. Videos. The news about Pluto. Maps will bring you to Google Maps. And then you have others as well, books, flights, and apps. Within each of these filters, there are additional search tools, so additional filters. So say I'm on the web, I'm looking at websites. If I click search tools, I can search more specifically. Say I only want to see websites that have been updated in the past hour. I would choose past hour. And say I only want to see the websites from the US, then I would click on the different countries here. So I'm in Canada right now, so these are just Canadian sites. We can also sort by relevance, by date. And say I'm not looking for Jupiter, but I'm looking for Jupite. Google will think that I made a typo, right? It's only actually showing me Jupiter search results. So what I can do under search tools and under all results is to search verbatim. There we go. So now I'm actually just searching for Jupite and not Jupiter. If I want to clear all of my filters, I just click on clear and I'm back to the beginning again. So we can do similar things for all of these other filters. So under videos, again, I will click search tools and I can change the duration. So maybe I only want to see some long videos that are 20 minutes or more. So we filtered out all of the shorter videos. We only see the long ones about Jupiter. We can see ones that have been updated more recently or ones that are older. I can choose just high quality. I can select videos that are just closed captioned as well. So these are all different options that we have here. And you can browse around, take a look at the different search tools you have under each filter. Okay, blogs, and again, how recent the website was updated. Now we're going to look more closely at image searches or image filters. So say we're going to look up images of Canada. Okay, so these images are quite varied. I see maps, I see flags, I see some landscapes as well. Say I only want to see flags. Okay, I could click flag here. So there, my search changed to Canada flag. Or I could do something different as well. Under search tools, I can change the color of my search. So say if I'm choosing red, it will find the images that have the most red in them. There we go. So I don't just get flags, I get other things as well related to Canada that are just red. We can also filter by size to get some higher quality images. Type, clip art, face, and so on. Time, usage rights would be useful as well, and there are other tools too. So say for example, I want to look up a hockey game. Okay, Ottawa Senators. There we go. So I'm getting a lot of flags here. I wonder if I cleared my search. Yeah, it is clear. But say I only want a picture of the players on ice, a really good action shot. Maybe what I can do is filter by color, and I want to see more white because the ice is white. And that worked fairly decently. I get quite a few jerseys, but at least I don't see the logo much at all anymore. I'm seeing a lot more shots on the ice. So that's one of the filters that you can use for your image searches. Lastly, we're going to discuss operators that we can use in the search bar. So say I'm looking for a company called Home Happy. The issue with searching just Home Happy is that happy home is a common phrase. Right? Drive home happy, the happy home company, and so on. Home happy is kind of a bizarre turn of phrase. So one thing that we can do to aid our search is to remove some words. Here I see a couple of sites about driving home happy. So we can eliminate words from our search. The way to do this is to add a negative sign or a dash, and then whatever word you want to eliminate. There we go. So now we don't have anything about driving in our searches. However, the issue is still that happy is coming before the word home. So if you want to search a very particular phrase in which the order of the words matter, or you want a whole phrase to be looked for rather than individual words, you can put quotation marks over what you are looking for. Okay, so home happy now should be together with homecoming first. So if we search, this does help somewhat. Home and then happy is coming afterwards. Home happy mortgage. So those are two different operators we can use. The negative sign to eliminate a word, the quotation marks to keep words together. And something else that we could use is the word or. Say you don't need to search for the word happy and the word home. You'd be equally content with either word in your searches. You can put the word or in capital letters. And so any sites that have the word home or the word happy should pop up as they do here. So the word happy is not in here, but the word home is, and that's okay. And so that concludes our lesson for today.